For centuries, humans have pondered the shape of our world. Is it a flat disk or a giant sphere? This question has sparked curiosity, debate, and even controversy across cultures and time periods. Today, the scientific community overwhelmingly agrees. Earth is a sphere. However, some individuals still hold on to the belief that our planet is flat. This essay will explore both sides of this enduring debate, examining the evidence and arguments presented by each perspective. For many centuries, the flat Earth model was the dominant understanding. This was influenced by limited observations of our world and interpretations of religious texts. The horizon, appearing flat to the naked eye, reinforced this belief. However, as scientific knowledge advanced, evidence began to emerge that challenged this traditional view. The shift towards a spherical Earth model began with ancient Greek philosophers and mathematicians. Scholars like Pythagoras and Aristotle observed phenomena that suggested Earth's curvature. For example, they noted that the hulls of ships disappeared below the horizon before their masts, indicating a curved surface. Despite these early insights, it took many more centuries and significant advancements in technology for the spherical Earth model to gain widespread acceptance. Today, we have a wealth of evidence from various scientific disciplines that confirm Earth's true shape beyond any reasonable doubt. The most compelling evidence for a spherical Earth comes from space exploration. Satellites and astronauts orbiting our planet have captured countless images and videos that clearly show Earth's curvature. These visuals provide undeniable proof that we live on a sphere, not a flat plane. Furthermore, the International Space Station, orbiting Earth at an altitude of about 250 miles, provides a live feed of our planet that anyone can access online. This constant stream of imagery showcases a rotating spherical Earth, dispelling any doubts about its true shape. The ability to observe Earth from space represents a significant turning point in our understanding of our planet. It has provided irrefutable visual confirmation of what scientists had long deduced through observations and calculations made here on Earth. The clarity and consistency of these images, taken from countless angles and distances, leave no room for misinterpretation. Earth is a sphere, and the view from space provides the most striking evidence of this reality. Long before the advent of space travel, mariners sailing the seas observed phenomena that hinted at Earth's curvature. One such observation involves the way ships disappear hull first over the horizon. As a ship sails away from an observer, it gradually disappears below the horizon, with the hull vanishing first, followed by the masts. This phenomenon occurs because the Earth's surface curves downward as distance increases. If Earth were flat, the entire ship would remain visible, gradually shrinking in size as it moved farther away. However, the hull-first disappearance clearly demonstrates that the ship is gradually being obscured by the curvature of the Earth. Another piece of nautical evidence comes from the practice of celestial navigation. Sailors have long relied on the stars to determine their position at sea. However, the position of the stars in the night sky changes depending on an observer's latitude. This variation in star positions is only possible on a spherical Earth. If Earth were flat, the same constellations would be visible from all locations. However, sailors traveling north or south observe different stars rising and setting, indicating a change in their position relative to the celestial sphere. This phenomenon is consistent with a curved Earth, where different parts of the sky are visible from different latitudes. Celestial observations provide compelling evidence for Earth's spherical shape. Different constellations are visible in the northern and southern hemispheres. As one travels north or south, the visible constellations change. Ursa Major is visible in the northern hemisphere, but not in the southern hemisphere. Conversely, Crux is visible in the southern hemisphere, but not in the northern hemisphere. This difference is only possible on a spherical Earth. If Earth were flat, the same constellations would be visible everywhere. The curvature of Earth means different views of the night sky in different hemispheres. Section 5. Shadows and journeys. More clues to Earth's shape. Even the shadows cast by objects on Earth offer clues about our planet's shape. During a lunar eclipse, Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow on the lunar surface. The shape of this shadow is always round, regardless of Earth's orientation during the eclipse. If Earth were flat, its shadow during a lunar eclipse would sometimes appear elongated or elliptical, depending on the angle of the Sun. However, the consistently round shadow observed during lunar eclipses provides further evidence for Earth's spherical shape. In addition to astronomical observations, the ability to circumnavigate Earth also supports the spherical Earth model. Circumnavigation is the act of traveling completely around the globe, ending up back at the starting point. If Earth were flat, circumnavigation would be impossible, as one would eventually reach an edge. However, countless individuals and expeditions have successfully circumnavigated Earth, traveling in all directions, further confirming its spherical shape. Section 6, or Flat Earth, examining the claims. Despite the overwhelming evidence supporting a spherical Earth, some individuals continue to advocate for a flat Earth model. These individuals, known as flat earthers, often cite various observations and arguments to support their beliefs. One common argument is that the horizon appears flat to the naked eye. However, this perception is due to the limitations of human vision and the vast scale of Earth. At a human scale, the curvature of Earth is not readily apparent. However, as altitude increases, the curvature becomes more noticeable. Another argument often put forth by flat earthers is that objects do not appear to fall off the bottom of Earth. This argument ignores the concept of gravity, which pulls objects towards the center of the Earth. Gravity acts as a centripetal force, keeping everything on Earth's surface, regardless of its location. Flat earthers also often claim that images of Earth from space are fake or manipulated. However, this conspiracy theory ignores the fact that multiple independent space agencies and countries have captured images of Earth from space, all consistently showing a spherical shape. Furthermore, the existence of time zones, seasons, and the Coriolis effect, the deflection of moving objects caused by Earth's rotation, are all phenomena that can only be explained by a spherical rotating Earth. Flat Earth models fail to provide plausible explanations for these well-documented observations. Section 7. Faith and the Cosmos. Religious perspectives on Earth's form. Throughout history, some religious texts have been cited in support of a flat Earth. However, mainstream interpretations of major religious texts support a spherical Earth. Islamic scholars like Ibn Hazm and Ibn Baz affirmed Earth's spherical nature. They interpreted Quranic verses in alignment with scientific understanding. Early Islamic scholars contributed significantly to astronomy and geography. Their advancements support the understanding of Earth as a sphere. Section 8. Conclusion. Standing on solid ground. The evidence for a spherical Earth is overwhelming and comes from diverse fields of scientific inquiry, including astronomy, physics, geography, and space exploration. From the Hull first disappearance of ships over the horizon to the different constellations visible in each hemisphere, the evidence consistently points towards a spherical Earth. While flat Earth theories persist, they often rely on misinterpretations of observations, a rejection of the scientific method, and conspiracy theories. These theories fail to account for the vast body of evidence that supports a spherical Earth, and often contradict well-established scientific principles. The understanding of Earth as a sphere represents a triumph of human curiosity, observation, and scientific inquiry. It serves as a reminder of the power of evidence-based reasoning and the importance of critically evaluating information, especially in the age of misinformation and online echo chambers. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries, it's essential to ground our understanding in sound science and embrace the awe-inspiring reality of our spherical planet.